Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings, tap Connected Devices, then tap Connection Preferences to find NFC. Toggle NFC on and ensure your device runs Android 9 or higher for updated behavior. Keep your phone unlocked and screen on to read most NFC tags reliably. If you use a Samsung phone, open Settings, then Connections, and tap NFC and Payment. Disable airplane mode and any battery saver that might block NFC. Restart the phone after toggling NFC if tags do not respond immediately. Use an NDEF-compatible app like Tag Writer or NFC Tools to read and write tags. Place the tag near the phone's NFC antenna, usually the back center area. Write only one record type at a time and verify tag capacity in bytes. Select the record format such as URL, text, or Smart Poster before writing to the tag. Confirm the right operation and test the tag by reading it again immediately. Avoid low-quality tags under 144 bytes for reliable storage of multiple records. Set your default payment app in Settings under NFC and contactless payments. Disable Android Beam. Use share or direct payment flows on Android 10 and newer. Avoid writing sensitive data to tags and lock tags when storing permanent info. For public access tags, write a short URL or non-sensitive identifier to limit exposure. Lock a tag only after you confirm correct content because locks are irreversible for many tags. If a payment fails, check the Wallet app and retry with the screen unlocked and NFC enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.